Hi guys, I decided to do this video because I've had a lot of people contact me on my Instagram, Encaustic Artworks, and they've been asking me how I do certain effects on my paintings or just beginner tips. So I decided this video would be the easiest way to explain it to you guys. So these are the things that I cannot live without for encaustics. Number one, the torch. I used to work with a heat gun when I was young, the first time I discovered encaustics, and it was so long that I actually gave up because I like to work on large surfaces. When I discovered that I could use a torch instead, it changed my life. So if you want to see how to properly use a torch, just look at my other videos because you don't want to heat directly. It'll get the wax to move around. You really want to just heat evenly and keep moving. Anyways, look at my other videos. But this will change your life. It's just the torch head that you buy on Amazon. I have the link below. And then you get a can of butane gas. Here in Canada, you get them at Canadian Tire. Then the second tool that you absolutely need is this clay carving tool. Again, the links are on Amazon. You're gonna use this tool to smooth out like any bumps on your wax, but also you're gonna wanna take the wax off the sides because when you heat it, at some point the wax kind of goes off the sides. Even if you tape it, when you try to rip off the tape, if you haven't removed it, it's just gonna rip your tape. So you're gonna want to use this on the side of the canvas to remove those lumps of wax. Really easy to use. Third that you are absolutely going to want to use are these brushes. These aren't just any brushes. I've included the link below. I tried so many brushes, getting so frustrated. I would use hog's hair because they would say, oh, don't use synthetic. They're gonna melt in your beeswax. Never happened to me. These are natural. I think it's goat. But they are very soft, so you can get the really thin layers, but most importantly, you're not gonna lose any bristles in your painting. If you lose bristles, then you're gonna have to go back and try to take them out with a needle or a toothpick. It's so annoying. You lose so much time. Tested so many paint brushes. These are the best ones in the world for an encaustic artist. Trust me, and they're really not that expensive. I think 13 to 15 bucks, something like that. Look at the link below, order these brushes. It will be a game changer for you. Some people ask me, what are those cells on your paintings? The ones that you're referring to, if you look above, that is the shellac burn technique. It is made using shellac. It is a wood varnish that I mix with alcohol inks, and then I let it dry, and with my torch, I make it's sort of like a plastic. I make it spread, and that's what creates those really cool cells. So for those of you who wanted to know, it's the shellac burn technique, and I have some videos demonstrating what shellac burn looks like. You can just go and look at them, and you'll see it will take your encaustic art to another level. Oh, actually, I forgot to show you another tool. These are clay sculpting tools. Again, I've included the links below. When your encaustic is still warm, you can just pass these and it'll etch little grooves into your wax. Then you can fill those grooves with oil paint, wipe off the excess oil paint. I have videos on that. Just look up my etching videos. I have shorts as well that shows you how to do it. And then it makes the coolest effects. So yeah, you want to order these as well if you want to do like a sort of mixed media thing. So now I'm actually concluding. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. It changes everything for me to just get those subscribers. It makes it all worthwhile. Please like and look at my other videos. I really hope you enjoyed.